When you're trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Consuming the right foods can curb cravings and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. Here are 5 healthy breakfast foods that can help you lose weight. 1. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein and several important nutrients. Studies have shown that eating eggs at breakfast increases feelings of fullness, reduces calorie intake at the next meal and helps maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels. From boiled to scrambled to sunny side up, there are many different ways to enjoy your eggs. Try cooking up 2 or 3 eggs any style, then combining them with a serving of your favorite veggie. 2. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. Green tea and its components have been shown to increase fat burning and your number of burned calories, which could aid weight loss. Green tea may be especially helpful against diabetes. A review of 17 studies found that green tea drinkers had reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. It also contains an antioxidant known as EGCG, which may protect your brain, nervous system and heart from damage. 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy and delicious breakfast option, especially if you're looking to lose weight. Oatmeal is low in calories but high in fiber and protein, which may help increase weight loss. It also contains beta-glucan, which can decrease both blood sugar and appetite. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, and these antioxidants may also benefit heart health and decrease blood pressure. 4. Coffee. Coffee is an amazing beverage to start your day. It's high in caffeine, which has been shown to improve mood, alertness and mental performance. According to one small study in 8 men, caffeine consumption increased metabolism by 13% and enhanced fat breakdown. 5. Banana. High in fiber but low in calories, bananas are a great alternative to sugary breakfast cereals to satisfy your sweet tooth first thing in the morning. Fiber helps slow the emptying of your stomach to curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller longer. Unripe bananas also contain resistant starch, which may help decrease food intake and belly fat. Starting your day on the right foot and with the right food can make a world of difference when it comes to weight loss. Thanks you for watching. If you'd enjoy the video, please leave a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more.